Hello students, good morning. See, this is the last topic of nuclear decay, that is unit 1. Last part of this chapter is interaction of gamma rays with matter. See, the basic property of gamma ray radiations is the exponential decrease in the intensity of radiation as it passes through a thin slab of matter. While passing through matter, gamma ray photons either completely absorbed or deflected or scattered from their path, usually at large angles. For this case, the intensity of beam of gamma rays is reduced as it passes through the matter. This can be written in terms of intensity is I equals I naught e power minus mu x, where mu is the attenuation coefficient. The principal process involved in interaction of gamma rays with matter are: one is photoelectric effect, Compton scattering, and electron-positron pair production. Here, photoelectric effect. It is a phenomenon in which a photon interacts with an atom and ejects one of the orbital electrons from the atom. Here the photon transfer almost all energy to the atom. This is used to overcome the binding energy as well as to provide the kinetic energy to the photoelectron. So this can be written as h nu equals W plus of mv square. W is the binding energy of the electron and of mv square is the kinetic energy of the photoelectron. These ionized atoms gain electrical neutrality by rearrangement of other orbital electrons. These electrons that undergo these rearrangements sum up the energy in form of photon known as characteristic radiation of atoms. See, from this case, the photoelectric effect is the principal means of absorption at low energy gamma rays below above 0.5 to 0.6 mega electron volts. Since electron binding energies ranges from few thousand electron volts for light elements to about 100 kilo electron volt for heavy elements. Second one is pair production and annihilation. See, in this case, the entire energy of the photon is absorbed on the production of positron and a electron. In the first case, pair production, energy of photon is absorbed in the production of both electron. Matter and antimatter means electron and positron. Here the minimum gamma ray energy necessary for this process is 1.02 MeV, and which is equivalent to the sum of the rest masses of the positron and neutron. Its energy in excess of 1.02 MeV passes closest to the nucleus of the atom. And second case, C, annihilation, when two particles collide converting two photons with equal energy 511 keV. Here the probability of this interaction increases for increased gamma ray energy above the threshold level, and also for increased atomic number of the absorbing material.